Hi, my name is Timo from TCK Solar. We get asked a lot of questions about our products and therefore we decided to do a series of videos for you. Today we want to talk about solar. There are of course a lot of solar systems on the market at the moment and lots of companies are offering different panels, inverters, etc. Our point of difference is that from day one we focused on quality. At TCK Solar we strongly believe in do it once, do it right. And to achieve that we have to source the best components in the world and design them exactly to your needs. Of course, once we know the design, we need to make sure that we do a top installation all the way through, handle the paperwork quick and efficiently, and give you also the ongoing service with maintenance inspections and remote monitoring to supply you with a total peace of mind. The reason why we have so much faith in our systems is because we choose every component very carefully. The major component of a solar system, of course, is the solar panel. I used to be the production manager for Solbond in Berlin, and therefore I know the product inside out. And when I started the business in 2009, I knew that I would only use the Solbond panels. The panels work fantastically, have a fantastic track record. The longevity is 30+ years, so we have no reason to try any others. Now I want to talk about Solbond. Solbond is a lightweight, frameless, ultra-thin and self-cleaning panel. The Solbond panels are an absolutely fantastic product because we can glue it flat to flat metal roofs and therefore it's not visible from the ground. And suddenly we don't have the common issues with the ugliness of tilt frames, the wind load issues, the weight issues and the higher chances of leakages. We glue them on new roofs straight to the ridges, and on existing roofs we just put a thin rail underneath it. Another advantage of Solbond is that we can fit a much bigger capacity onto your roof than with conventional tilt frames, and also is that suddenly the sun hits the solar panels and not your roof sheets anymore, which means that the ceiling space underneath it stays a lot cooler in summer. Of course we're offering solar panels for all kinds of roofs. Once we are having normal pitch roofs, we need to use frame panels. Frame panels are necessary to hold the panels in place, whether it's a tile roof or steeper pitch corrugated iron roof. Those panels are of course also made by Solbond to the highest standards. The next major component in a solar system is of course the solar inverter. The inverter is the item which sits somewhere in your garage or alongside the house, converting the DC power into AC, which you use in your household. That component is critical and has to run on a very high efficiency to give you the maximum performance for decades to come. We've used right from the start SMA inverters. They are made in Germany and that is the company with the longest experience in that field, and are achieving inverters with incredible efficiencies. Recently we've added a new product to our range from a company called SolarEdge. The SolarEdge technology is slightly different because suddenly we operate and monitor each and every panel individually. The big three advantages of SolarEdge are total flexibility in system design, much better performance, and much better safety of the entire system. So we've covered now that we have fantastic solar panels, that we use only the best inverters available, but what also puts us apart is the components no one can see. We use, for example, 50% thicker cables. We use the original MC4 plugs. We use German isolators and switches. And by putting everything together in the best possible way, we achieve superior longevity and performance. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to find out more about our products and services, please contact us through our website or pick up the phone and ring us.